Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Structure of the atom. The last class we are going to discuss this chapter. Last topic it is rules for filling of orbitals. How the electrons are filling. For that we have some rules. So one by one we will discuss here. The first rule is Aufbau rule. Aufbau means in the German language building up. Building up. That means suppose you have some staircase. Okay. So where you will climb up first. Obviously you will go for first step, then second step, then third step, then fourth step. That means first you will enter into the first low height. That means low energy. Low energy shell. Here we are talking low energy shell may electron entering into first. After completing this low energy level, then we are going to higher energy level, then so on like that. See here, Aufbau principle gives a sequence in which various subshells are filled up depending on the relative order of the energies of various subshells. Okay, we know that shells are there. In the shells, subshells are there. The 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is there in 1s is there, in the 2s and 2p is there, in the 3s, 3p, 3d, 4 like that, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, these all are there. These are called subshells. This is the shell. These are the subshells. Subshells. Shell के अंदर subshells. So these subshells में electron. Shell में तो ठीक है, clear है. First shell after completing, second shell में electron entering. Then second के बाद third में. लेकिन within the second and third shells, again subshells are there. How these electrons are filling in the subshells? For that, in generally, they given some rule, that is N plus L rule. We will discuss now. Principle: the subshell with minimum energy is filled first when the subshell obtain maximum quota of electrons. Then the next subshell of higher energy starts filling. So principle is same. What we learned first point, first low energy shell, then next higher energy shell. Within the shell, same principle, low energy level subshell is filling first, then higher energy level. Generally the energy levels are S is smaller than the P, then D, then F. This is the rule. Okay, suppose if you are taking 4s, 4s may fourth shell may first it will fill 4s, then 4p, then 4d, then 4f. This is the sequence. Okay, next. The sequence in which various subshells are filled as the following. So, a Euler diagram is given that according to Euler, 1s, 2s is there, 2p is there, 3 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, like that. He drawn that. Then after 1s, it's going to 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p. 3p के बाद देखो, it is not going into 3d. 3p के बाद 4s में जा रहे हैं. Understood? 3p के बाद 4s. 4s के बाद 3d. Then 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d. Okay, what we learned the first rule, generally 3 के बाद 4, 4 के बाद 5 में जा रहे हैं. लेकिन here, see here, after 3s, 3p is there, 3p के बाद 4s. Okay, then again 3d is there. Why it's coming like this? Initially they don't know. Later Bohr-Bury, Bose and Bury. Bohr's atomic model, you know that. This fellow scientist, Bohr-Bury, these two scientists, they given one explanation. According to N plus rule, the electrons are filling. What is the n? This starting one is n. This is n is the number of shell. It is the shell number of shells. Then S is the L value. S is the L value. What are the L values? L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 means S, 1 means P, D, F. S, P, D, F. तो ये G है, अभी तो फिलहाल नहीं है. Okay, according to the sequence in which various subcells are filled up can also determined with the help of n plus L value for a given subshell. Okay, अभी n plus L के हिसाब से वो इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल हो रहा है. We can explain clearly. You can see here. Suppose 1s is there. 1s का n value is 1, L s value 0. Okay, so 2s, 2 plus 0, 2p. So I written here L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 means S, P, D, F. S के लिए 0, P के लिए 1. So total is 3. Then 3s, 3. Like this. 3p is there. So n value 3, p value 1, total 4. So like that. Again you can see 3d, 3 plus 2, total 5. 4p. Then total 5. 5s also total 5. So okay. Abhi, according to n plus L value we have to fill the electron. See here n plus L value तो दोनों का same है. In this case what to do? Which is the low energy, which is the higher energy? Whenever this n plus L value is same, we have to prefer the n value. If n value is higher, that is higher energy. Okay, so here 2p is low energy, then 3s is higher energy because 2 and 3. Okay, then again you will get doubt here 3p and 4s. 3p में total 4, 4s में भी 4, लेकिन 3p is the smaller, this is the higher. Okay, 3d why it is coming later? Because 4s का total value तो 4 है, 3d का total value तो 5 है. Obviously after 4s only 3d will come. Okay, understood? So it is not only depends on n value, it is depends on n and L both values, the sum of n plus L value. Okay, the energy of the subshells is depends on the n plus L value, not only n value. Okay, is it clear? The subshell's energy level, subshell energy level is depends on n and L values. Okay, right. If n plus L value is same, then n is the preferred. If n is maximum, then more energy. Next rule is Pauli's exclusion principle. In 1925, Pauli stated that no two electrons in an atom can have same values of 4 quantum numbers. Those 4 quantum numbers are n, L, m, s, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. These all 4 values are not equal for any 2 electrons in an atom. Okay, of course it should not be equal because this is nothing but the address of electron. So address of electron तो same नहीं होना चाहिए कोई भी 2 electrons के लिए. Okay, so from this one conclusion is there: an orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electron with opposite spin. So that means orbital means ये box होता है, ठीक है. In this box maximum 2 electrons होता है. The 2 electrons are like this, not with the same spin, okay. So example I am giving you, helium atom is there, 1s2 2s2. ओके 2s2 में दिस सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन का मैं क्वांटम नंबर्स एंड फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन का क्वांटम नंबर्स लिख रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द n वैल्यू हियर? n वैल्यू इज 2. हाउ टू? द शेल नंबर इज 2. व्हाट इज l वैल्यू? l वैल्यू तो s के लिए तो 0 होता है, इधर भी n इक्वल टू l इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, n l हो गया. व्हाट इज द m वैल्यू हियर? m वैल्यू इज, you know that m value minus L2 plus L including 0. That means only one is there, 0. Here also m equal to 0. What about s equal? S equal upward direction is there, that means plus half. Here s equal downward direction is there, that means minus half. That means it is a clockwise rotation, this is the anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, so you can take any two electrons, these quantum numbers में at least one quantum number will be different. So these two electrons are not equal, you can see. You may ask, sir मैं दूसरा electron लेता हूँ which is downward. Suppose ये downward and ये downward I am taking. Suppose ये downward का quantum number देखो. What is n value? n value तो पहले ही तो खत्म, different हो गया. ठीक है, L वैल्यू तो 0, M वैल्यू आल्सो 0, S वैल्यू तो माइनस हाफ. यू कैन सी माइनस हाफ, 0, 0 इतना तक 3 आर सेम, बट N वैल्यू इज डिफरेंट. सी हियर N वैल्यू 2, N वैल्यू 1. सो यू टेक एनी इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एन एटम, एटलीस्ट वन क्वांटम नंबर विल बी डिफरेंट. वन क्वांटम नंबर विल बी डिफरेंट. Next, Hund's maximum multiplicity rule. Multiplicity means many of the same kind. Multiplicity. You may see that multi-complex, multi-speciality. Okay. According to Hund's rule, electrons are distributed among the orbitals of subshell in such a way as to give maximum number of unpaired electrons with parallel spin. Maximum unpaired electrons होना चाहिए, ऐसा arrange होता है electrons. That means in a subshell, pairing of electron will not start until and unless all the orbitals of that subshell will get one electron each with same spin. Are you getting? Suppose here these 3 are there orbitals, it is a p subshell. If you have 4 electrons, this 1, 2, 3, then only electron is pairing. Until unless each orbital getting one electron, there is no pairing. Okay, suppose if you write like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the wrong, this is the right. Why? Because you have to write maximum unpaired electron होने का structure वो लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so maximum unpaired electrons. See, this is the wrong, this is the right. So maximum multiplicity formula. Maximum multiplicity formula is 2s plus 1. What is the s? S is the electron spin. See here, the upward is plus half, downward is minus half, total is 0. So spin multiplicity, total multiplicity is only 1. But if you take the b, s equal the total spin, it is the plus half, this is also plus half, total कितना हो गया 1. So what is the formula? 2s plus 1. 2s plus 1. What is this s? S is the total spin. It is not individual, it is a total spin. Total spin is the sum of all spins. So total 1 हो गया, 2 into 1 plus 1, total 3. You can see maximum multiplicity. So this 1 is there singlet, 2 is there duplet, 3 is there triplet. Okay, these are the names. If maximum multiplicity is there, that is more stable. Okay, we can solve some questions. The topic is over. Find out the angular momentum of an electron in. angular momentum. 4s orbital, 3p and 4th orbital. Solution. Angular momentum in an orbital is h by 2 pi under root L into L plus 1. Sometimes you may see the formula is like this, L into L plus 1, then h cap, or under root L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. Okay, these all are same formulas. Okay, now what is L? L equal to 0 for s orbital. Okay, A option. When s का 0 है तो L value is 0, that means total value will be 0. Okay, just you put it here, 0 into 0 plus 1, तो 0 into means सब total 0 हो जाएगा. Then B option में L equal to 1 for p orbital, L equal to 1, just you put that L के जगह पे 1 रख दो. Then h by 2 pi under root L into L plus 1, h by 2 pi under root L के जगह पे 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, then क्या होगा, h by 2 pi, so 1 plus 1 2, so root 2. Then ये 2 को मैं root 2 square लिख सकते, root 2 into root 2 लिख सकते नहीं तो, so 1 root 2 will get cancelled. Then what is the answer? Then h by root 2 pi. Then C, angular momentum in 4th orbit. Angular momentum in 4th orbit, nh by 2 pi, mvr equal nh by 2 pi, mvr equal nh by 2 pi, वो बोर्स बोल दिया था, nh by 2 pi. ये 4th के लिए 4h by 2 pi, that means 2h by pi. Here n is the orbit number. Okay, is it clear? 3p orbital, this is the orbital angular momentum. Okay, this is the orbit angular momentum. Find out angular momentum of an electron. ये 4th orbital नहीं है, ये 4th orbit. Okay, 4th orbit. Orbital angular momentum and orbit angular momentum दोनों अलग अलग है. Orbit angular momentum is mvr equal nh by 2 pi, nh. Okay, orbital angular momentum is L into under root of L into L plus 1 into h cap or h by 2 pi. Given below are a set of quantum numbers for given orbitals. Name these orbitals. See, n equal to 4, L equal to 2. L equal to 2 means, again I will write it here, L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. S, P, D, F. ठीक है, 4 है, 2 means D. 4D, M equal to 0. M equal to 0 generally वो Z के लिए होता है. So 4DZ square. 4DZ square. क्योंकि D में क्या रहता है, D में 5 orbitals are there, 1 2 3 4 5. The middle one is dz square, 0 minus plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Z means dxz dyz. Okay, dxy dx square minus y square ऐसा होता है, right? Now dz square. And second one, n equal to 3, L equal to 1 means p, 3p plus or minus 1. See again p के लिए भी 1. ये middle one generally हम dz, see actually px py pz रहता है, px py pz. So pz 0 minus 1 plus 1. ये लेती है जनरली pz, this one px, this one is the py. You can see here px, pz, py. So plus or minus 1 means either it will be px or py. See, actually it's not compulsory -1. I can take it as a +1, it is a -1 also. Okay, that's why simply whenever we are writing plus or minus 2 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 ऐसा लिखते हैं. So here the question is m equal to plus or minus 1 is given. That means answer will be either 3px or 3py. Okay, m equal to 0 means pz होता है actually, right? Next, n equal to 4, s equal to 0 means s, then m equal to 0, s में तो एक ही है, that is 4s. Then 3d 2 is there. 2 is there means हो सकता है x square minus y square or xy. You can see here x square minus y square or xy. ये दोनों में कुछ भी हो सकता है, xy or x square minus y square, because it's given plus or minus 2. Next, electronic configuration of elements. Based on the rules, we can easily determine the electronic configuration of most element. We just need to know the atomic number of an element, the order in which orbitals are to be filled, and maximum number of electrons in a shell, subshell or orbital. The configuration so obtained can be represented in two ways. As an illustration, let us consider fluorine, Z equal 9, atomic number 9. According to whatever we learned the rules, according to those rules, we can fill the electrons. See, 9 is there. See, first of all, Z equal 9 is there. So 9 means first of all electron entering into first shell, then second shell, then third shell. तो 1 में क्या है, 1s is there, 2 में 2s is there, 2p is there, 3 में 3s is there, 3p is there, 3d is there. तुम्हारे पास कितना है, 9 electrons. So 2 electrons here. Then second shell में first entering into general concept is s, p, d, f, energy levels. So obviously 2s. Otherwise n plus l follow कर सकते हैं. So 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3. Obviously this is the energy level. Okay, now 2 electrons over, then next 2 electron entering here, 4 electrons, then here 6 electrons it can accommodate, but तुम्हारे पास तो 5 ही है. Okay, then your configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. This is the configuration, electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration of for any element. One shortcut method is there. Short method, that is school, school, public school, public school, Delhi public school, Delhi public school, famous Delhi public school, famous Delhi public school. Right here, whenever s is there, you have to change the number. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. Then numbering 1s 2s हो गया. Then 2s, s जनरली पीरियडिक टेबल में ऐसा होता है, एस ऑर्बिटल से शुरू करके पी ऑर्बिटल तक रहता है. लास्ट तक पी ऑर्बिटल है, फर्स्ट में एस ऑर्बिटल. सो 2s से 2p तक एक पीरियड में होता है. 2s then obviously it is a 2p, 3s then this is a 3p, 4s then 3d आ गया. 3d, d will start at third shell. So the first d, that is why it is 3d. Then it is a 4p, 5s, 3d हो गया मतलब obviously this one is 4d. Then 5s के बाद 5p, 6s, f first f it will be 4f, then 3d, 4d तो हो गया, अभी तो 5d, then p आ गया. what is s, 6s, 6s मतलब वो 6p. ओके, क्योंकि s से शुरू करके p तक एंड होता है. then 7s हो गया, then obviously ये तो 7p होगा. देन F, ये तो सेकंड F है, 4F ऑलरेडी हो गया मतलब ये तो 5F है, 5D हो गया मतलब 6D है. Okay, like this. Now I am writing 36 electrons are there, electronic configuration. For this, here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. p में मैक्सिमम 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन रख सकते, s में मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, s means only one box, p means 3 boxes, d means 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5. So maximum 2 electrons, 6 electrons, maximum 10 electrons. F में है तो 14 electrons we can keep it maximum, right? So then 2 electrons, then 3p, 6, 2, 3d, 10 electrons. Okay, once you count it, 6 plus 4, 10, then 6 plus 4, 10, 20, then 30 electrons over, then 6, 4p, 6. This up to this is the electronic configuration of 36th atom. What is the 36th atom? Potassium argon krypton. Krypton is the 36th element. The 36th element electronic configuration is like this. Okay, you can write for 101 also, whatever you want, you can write on the basis of this. What is the logic here? School, school, public school, public school, Delhi public school, Delhi public school, famous Delhi public school, famous Delhi public school, famous Delhi public school. Okay, so S2P same period में रहता है 10/5. So you can see here S तो 3 से शुरू हो गया मतलब 3 से P end होता है. अभी कहाँ से इधर suppose 6S is there, 6S is there means 6P ending होता है, then 7S चालू होता है. ये तो बीच में कभी F and D will come. So D obviously S से 1 कम होता है, F S से 2 कम होता है. 6S है ना, तो 6S के बाद आने वाला D 1 न्यूमेरिकल कम होता है. So 6S के बाद आने वाला F 2 न्यूमेरिकल कम होता है, like that. Okay, now you can write any configuration. Then lanthanides configuration, actinides beyond 103, whatever is there you can write it easily. Now here some important things. Exception, तो chemistry में exception तो important है. Exceptional configurations, stability of half filled and completely filled orbitals. Stability of half filled and completely filled are maximum stable. That's why some exceptions are there. Generally that is chromium and copper up to 30 elements. Copper has 29 electrons. Its expected electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d 9. But 3d 9 4s2 में 4s2 तो stable है लेकिन 3d 9 stable नहीं है. 3d 10 is more stable. 3d 10 is more stable. So but a shift of 1 electron from lower energy 4s orbital to higher energy 3d orbital will make the distribution of electrons symmetrical and hence will impart more stability. Then what will happen? This electron is jumping into 3d. Then it is forming 3d 10. Okay, so what will happen there? So this 4s2 becoming 4s1, 3d 9 becoming 3d 10. So 4s1 is half filled, that is also more stable. 4d 10 full filled, okay, this is also more stable. Both are stable, but here this is the stable, it is unstable. Okay, here both are stable, totally stable configuration. So fully filled and half filled orbitals are more stable, that is why this exception is there. Again another exception for chromium 24. You can see the 24. I will explain you with this concept. School, school, public school, public school, Delhi public school, Delhi public school. ठीक है, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. अभी तक कितना हो गया, काउंट करो एक बार. 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गया. 1s2, 3s2, 4s2, then 3d10. 20 है तो हमारे पास तो 24 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. सो 3d4 ओनली, 3d4. ठीक है. Then 4s2 means one box is there, 2 electrons. Here 5 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the. So एक orbital खाली है. So then what will happen? This electron is entering into this. Then the configuration becomes like this. S में तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, D में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one also stable, this one also stable. But here this one is stable, but this is unstable. Why these two are stable? Because half filled. Okay. Half filled also stable, full filled also stable. Here full filled, S is stable, but D, the bigger one, is unstable. That's why this configuration is not stable. Not stable. Okay. So configuration you can see 4s1, 3d5. 4s1, 3d5. Next, a compound. One example we can solve here. A compound vanadium has magnetic momentum of 1.73 Bohr magneton. Work out the electronic configuration of the vanadium in the compound. See, magnetic momentum का formula होता है n into n plus 2. Here n is the unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons. The unit is Bohr magnetons Bm. You can count it first. Vanadium 1.73 already given, under root of n into n plus 2 is there. Just do the square both sides. Okay, then you will get n into n plus 2. You can do the square or multiplication. N square plus 2n equal 1.73 ka whole square. 1.73 whole square. Then you will get n value will be 1. If you solve that, n equal to 1, you will get it. That means vanadium configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1. Only unpaired electron 1. Only unpaired electron 1. Actually 23 hai electrons. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 1. Only 19 electrons are there out of 23. That means plus 4. Oxidation number is, oxidation state or oxidation number is plus 4. 4 electron कम है. Actually होना चाहिए vanadium का 20, scandium titanium vanadium 23 है. That means 4s2 3d3 है. 4s2 3d3. So according to this configuration, 3 unpaired electrons are there, but it is giving the information only 1 electron is there. Only 1 electron. That means the ground state configuration, 3 unpaired electrons are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 unpaired electrons are there. But giving the information there only 1 electron. That means तो 2 electron को निकालना है. ये 2 electron को निकालना है तो पहले तो ये 2 electron को निकालना है. So total you have to remove 4 electrons needs to remove. Needs to remove. कितना? 4 electrons को. So then your configuration will be vanadium 4s0 3d1 हो जाएगा. Okay. This is the thing. So note point is here. Note point. कभी भी electron removing from valency shell. Okay, after removing valency shell, then only you can enter into pin. Suppose iron plus 3 is there. Iron plus 3. How many unpaired electrons? अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आयरन का लिख दो, मैंगनीज आयरन 26 मीन्स सी वेरी सिंपल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 4s2 3d6, ठीक है, इतना लिखना है, ठीक है, 4s2 3d6। अभी 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना, कैसे निकालते, 4s से निकालना पहले, 4s0 3d5, s से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, उसके बाद d से 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो 4s0 3d5 इज द iron plus 3 oxidation number. Are you getting? Okay, right, like this. Suppose copper plus 2 is there, तो copper के लिए configuration क्या था, 4s1 3d10, okay, then copper plus 1 के लिए 4s0 3d10, then 4s0 3d9। ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन कभी भी वैलेंस शेल, सबसे लास्ट शेल मीन्स सर लास्ट 3d है, ऐसा नहीं है, लास्ट शेल मीन्स हियर n नंबर मैक्सिमम, दिस इज कॉल्ड वैलेंस शेल। वैलेंस शेल से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है, ओके, वैलेंस शेल से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है, दिस इज द रूल। ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वी लर्न एंड एक्सेप्शन आल्सो वी लर्न। थैंक यू। Solve the problems from NEET and JEE PYQs.